Hello there, great people. I hope you are doing well. Today another video, or will be a sequence of videos, and I'm not talking about tech today. I mean a car that I bought a week ago. It's a car to restore. This is my third that I had, and I regret selling the other one, so I was on the hunt to buy this to restore. It's a Range Rover Classic 300 TDI. It has 220 kilometers on the clock, and it's a perfect example to restore. It's I will not show you now outside because, as you can see, it's a little bit rainy, but it will be a part of the process. But I can show you inside what we have, because inside we don't did many things, and I'm very happy about that. And mechanically the car is spot on. So it's cosmetic. We are doing some cosmetic work on the car, and that's it, and it's ready to roll, because there are some things that are in this car that I don't like. So add-ons, if you know what I mean. I want these to be bare bones, like it was from the factory. Now I will show you what you can see here. It's in perfect condition. Inside is in perfect condition. Everything is working. The only thing that I already the backup speakers, the back speakers were ruined. They were from factory, so I changed it already to have good sound here, because I love to drive this car. I bought some floor mats, rubber originals from Range Rover, and inside you can see that, I'm recording on an iPhone. You can see that, sorry about the cigarettes, that's my only addiction. Everything is very, very nice. Very, 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 very nice. It's in perfect condition, as you can see. I put this radio because it had a cassette one. I kept it, but here I have Bluetooth and audio, Bluetooth for calling, and also Bluetooth audio streaming, and it's green also. It matches the color on the dash, and as you can see, hello. And guys, this is inside. I don't need it has also yet the original, still the original leather. So this is the original wheel, where it's a little bit faded, but completely original. It has this thing that I don't like, back sensors, so I have to take this out. I don't need back sensors on the 95 year Range Rover Classic, so it's the 5-door one. I have to take that out, but this will be the seats are in perfect condition. No damage, nothing. Probably I will do some, I don't know if I will do something. It's a little bit of a clean, and that's it. And cleaning these, and the ceiling is not too bad. This is every Range Rover has this defect. It begins to sag, but this one is still okay. And outside I will show you when the weather is nice, for you to see what's the changes that I'll be doing. So if you like this kind of project, restoring an old Range Rover, go ahead and put your thumbs up, and if you do it, I will probably release the video, because I will make it anyway for my memories. And I will keep this car. I will keep this car because I enjoy driving. It's all stock springs, everything. It's extremely comfortable. The engine is in perfect condition. So my daughters love this, and I love this. I prefer old cars to new cars. Okay, I love it a lot. It's a different smell. everything is different, you know. Not I cannot explain. Okay, I also have a you know, a car from this era, 2015, 2000. I will not tell you the brand, no need to. But guys, this is my new project, and I will, if you go ahead and put your thumbs up again, I will continue and I will post the videos on YouTube. So tell me if you want to know something about this car. And oh, by the way, there is something very nice. This is only one owner car. I'm the second one, and I still have the purchase, you know, invoice for this car. It's incredible, huh? So lots and lots of things that were made of the car in the car. This is a 22-year-old car, and you know, it's very nostalgic to me. This is the third that I have, you know. And as I said, I regret very much sold the last one that I had. It was a gray one, Niagara gray, and this is the green one. Okay, so this is a video that will be upcoming on my channel. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye bye, have a nice day.